Hello students, now come to the next question, question number 12 and 13. So question number 12 says that 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. So what is Ravi's present age? So 15 years from now means whatever maybe the age is right now, after 15 years, that age will be 4 times to his present age. So let's take solution. Let the present age of Ravi be x. Therefore, after 15 years, age will be x plus 15. Okay. So according to question, this will be 4 times to the present age. So 4x, 4 into x equal to x plus 15 to make it equal, because this part is 4 times of x. To make it equal, so we have to make this one as multiplied by 4. So now it will be equal. So 4x minus x equal to 15. So gives you 3x equal to 15, x equal to 5. Hence, the present age of Ravi is 5 years. It's very simple. See, let the present age be x. So after 15 years will be definitely x plus 15. But according to question says that after 15 years, whatever may be the age, that age will be 4 times than the present age. So to make it both side equal, so we have to multiply 4 on the present age so that it will be equal to the future age. Now this 4x equal to x plus 15. So after solving this, we get the age, present age is 5 years. So I hope you understood this one very nicely. Now come to question number 13. Now question number 13 says that a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and if you add 2 by 3, you will get minus 7 by 12. So let's take, let the required rational number be x. Okay. Therefore, according to question, x into 5 by 2 plus 2 by 3 gives you minus 7 by 12. So it will be 5x by 2 plus 2 by 3 equal to minus 7 by 12. Okay. Now after LCM it will be 6, 15x plus 4 equal to minus 7 by 12. So 15x plus 4 equal, it will come here minus 7 into 6 by 12, 6 2 ja. Let's cancel it out, so 2 we will write. So 15x equal to minus 7 by 2 and it will come here minus 4. So 15x equal to minus 7 minus 8 by 2. Okay. Now implies that 15x equal to minus 15 by 2. So x equal to minus 15 by 2 into 1 by 15 minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 by 2. Hence, the required rational number is minus 1 by 2. So this one is also very easy, very simple. Let the required number be x. According to question, when you multiply the rational number with 5 by 2 and if you add 2 by 3 to that product, you will get minus 7 by 2. In this way we have plotted the question, answer, and hence we got the result. It is minus 1 by 2. So I hope you have understood both the questions very nicely. Thank you.